Volatility hyper trend indicator with the volatility signal is MT4 forex indicator. Pointer with higher education is a good for scalping. Volatility hyper trend indicator is a terrific tool for use by scalpers, day traders and market participants who want to swing the trade. There is no recurrence indicator with this warning signal. Volatility hyper trend indicator displays an arrow pointing red down and blue up on the activity chart. While trying to understand the direction of selling and market, arrows define the price trend of recession and boom. Time frame, any, 15M or more is the best. Currency, pairs equals any pair required major. Entry rules, sell, if the volatility hyper trend indicator signal / indicated is red. Buy, if the volatility hyper trend indicator signal / indicated is blue. Close terms of signal. Sell, if the indicator gets a signal. Buy, if the indicator indicates to sell. The volatility hyper trend forex indicator is a signal indicator based on the use of two standard ATR indicators. ATR indicators are used with the same period and differ only in the multiplier coefficient, which provides a difference in their sensitivity and, accordingly, a shift of these indicators relative to each other. Buy, blue arrow, and sell, red arrow, signals appear when the ATR indicators cross, which occurs due to a change in the volatility level. At the same time, the segments of the ATR indicators are colored corresponding to the current price trend. Blue is an upward trend, red, downtrend, green is a neutral trend. When using the volatility hyper trend forex indicator as an independent source of trading signals, it is necessary to introduce additional filters. It is also necessary to check the indicator for redrawing signals. Some currency traders are eager to measure price volatility and at the same time try to make sense off it, along with its impact on price in the near and long term. This is one of the reasons why our trading strategy is designed around volatility, while offering clear signals on when to buy / sell. The volatility hyper trend forex strategy includes entry, stop loss and take profit, exit the trade, and can be applied to any forex pair. The trigger lines indicator is a custom momentum indicator which aids traders in identifying trend direction. This indicator draws two modified moving average lines on the price chart, which are optimized to identify momentum shifts. This indicator also provides trade signals by changing the color of the moving average lines. Bullish trends have moving average lines that are colored blue, while bearish trends have moving average lines that are colored red. These trade signals are also based on the crossing over of the two moving average lines, which are set to indicate the medium-term trend. Volatility hyper trend indicator. The volatility hyper trend indicator is a custom indicator that indicates trend and trend reversals based on momentum. This indicator detects trend changes by incorporating volatility in its formula. This indicator draws two lines. Its main line, called the median, is colored green. This line shadows price action movements much like other oscillating indicators. The second line is much like a signal line. It indicates trend.